So in this quick video, I simply want to show you how to scan any QR code using your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. So it's very easy, don't have to download any software. So on your tablet, you're going to open the camera app, the one that looks like this. It comes included with it. So again, don't download anything. Once this is open, you're going to point it towards the QR code, and automatically once the camera sees the QR code, it will tell you what it is. If it's a link, you're going to see the link. If it's text, like this one is just a test saying text, you're going to see the meaning of this QR code. And you can click show option and view full text. If it's a longer text, you can also search the web. If this was a link or something of this genre, you can click search the web, or you can copy it and send it to a friend through Facebook, WhatsApp, or other stuff. You know, you can copy whatever information this was going to. And if this didn't work, by the way, you simply need to click on this cogwheel on the camera app once it's open. And from this menu, you need to make sure that scan QR code here is enabled. You see, by default, it's enabled, but maybe you closed it in the past. I don't know, you turned it off, or another person did it. So make sure it's in blue like this, so it works. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment as well, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.